Hi friends, my name is Surab, and today in this short video, I'll cover 5 major elements of product information management of better commerce. Starting with how we can assist with centralizing or managing the product information, attributes, and assets for a business, how to track in real time all the catalog and inventory data of the company, how to handle multiple prices within the system or multiple price lists within the system, how to handle multiple languages within the system, and how to integrate with marketplaces with ease. Now let's start with showing you how to assist business centralizing or managing the product information, attributes, and assets. So first of all, if you see here, it's a very simple process to do a bulk import of the of any product catalog. It's just a simple drag and drop of a CSV or Excel file. We give you the download template, you match the fields, drop it in here, and that's how you manage to import the whole product catalog in one shot within the system. Now, once that is imported, you will be able to see all the products of the product catalog in one centralized repository. You can see all of that in one centralized space, and based on different search criteria, you will be able to see the number of products published, out of stock, in stock, unpublished, pre-order, back order, all of that. Along with the products, you will be able to see the inventory of those products as well in one centralized space. So the one which is not available out of stock, you will get it here as it says out of stock. The number of stock available for the products which are available in stock, you will get to see the number of inventories available. So you can see all of that in one centralized space, and then you can track it on real-time basis. All the products which are published, which are in stock, you can, as I said, you can see all of that. You can see the inventory available on the real-time basis. You can track all of that in one centralized repository. And then, though you are maintaining the whole product kind of catalog in one centralized space, but if you're selling, if you're selling in multiple domains or multiple sites, you can still do that from one centralized space. So that becomes very convenient. You don't need to manage your products in different places. You have one centralized repository for the products, for the inventory, and then you can sell it to different sales channels, to different sites. You can do all of that. Then moving on to managing the attributes in one centralized space, you can and then managing the digital asset as well. So you can manage you can first of all, as a luxury brand or as a business, you can create n number of custom attributes, and then you can keep these custom attributes in one centralized space, group these attributes into an attribute set, and then assign that whole attribute set to either a product or a category. Now you can manage the digital assets, all the media, everything in one centralized repository, that is media library, and then use this images, this media across the site wherever you want. In the visual page site builder or the page builder, you can use these in product detail pages, anywhere you want, all these digital media or the digital assets. So it becomes a centralized repository for your digital assets as well. Now, moving on to how to manage multiple price lists within the system. If you're selling internationally and you're a global brand, then you want to manage multiple price lists based on different currencies within the system. And you can do that with ease. You can see here, these are all the multiple price lists based on different currencies, and you can definitely add new price lists as well. You just need to choose the country and the currency from the drop down, and it's a simple price list import. Or you can add new price list, or you can do a bulk import of the price list as well. Now, managing different languages, if you're selling to different, as I said, if you're selling to different countries or globally, then you need to manage different languages as well. If you're selling to Australia, Cyprus, or any other country, you can do that with a check or uncheck of a checkbox. So if we give you an option from settings, from where you can, in the domain settings, you can manage all of that with a check and uncheck of a checkbox. You can make the languages available, or you can just switch them off. Whatever you want as a business, you can do that. So it becomes very easy for you to manage multiple languages, multiple price lists based on different currencies within the system. Now, integrating with different sales channels definitely becomes very easy, and integrating with different marketplaces. Now, you can see here, you can integrate with Amazon, eBay, any marketplace. You can integrate with different storefronts as well. You can manage with different existing e-commerce platform as well. You can do the simple integration. We need to just remember that it can, this module, any module, let's say here in PIM, it can be easily integrated into Amazon or Magento or any other platform capable of integrating with the REST API. So it becomes very easy to integrate with any marketplace or any different sales channel as well. That's it for today. Any further query, you please visit www.bettercommerce.io and book a demo. We would love to hear from you. Thank you.